Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today is an exciting day for the Z Flip and Z Fold customers because pre-orders have started to arrive. So I've got my Z Flip 3 5G right here from Samsung. This is the Phantom Black model right here. And then I also have some of the pre-order goodies. So I went with the wall charger, the 25 watt wall charger, because it does not include the brick in the box this year. I got the wireless charger trio, which will do the watch and 2 phones. And I also got the leather cover for the Z Flip 3. And that totaled $150 in accessories, which was the amount you got for pre-ordering the Z Flip from Samsung. So those were all free, and that used up the whole amount of the pre-order credit. So we're going to go ahead and pop this open. I'm very excited to check this phone out. I did have a Z Fold or a Z Flip 2 5G for a short time, and I ended up returning it just because I didn't feel like it was durable enough, and that I had to be, too careful with it for my liking, and I just couldn't enjoy it like I wanted to. But now with this new phone, the screen's a little bit tougher. It's water resistant, all that kind of stuff. So a little bit easier, and it's also cheaper, so I had to try it out again. So here is the phone right here. I do have some more accessories coming. I have a case from Spec that I have. You guys saw that in a previous video, so I'll be doing a video of all my accessories together, and then I will do the phone videos separate just to keep it separate for you guys. Here is the phone right here. Like I said, this is the Phantom Black, so we have the matte black and the glossy black right here for the cover display. Right here we have your information with the SIM removal tool on the back. And then in here we just have some more documentation and the USB-C to USB-C cable, so you do get that, you just don't get the wall adapter. It's funny how Samsung makes fun of Apple for doing that, and then they're always doing it the next year or the year after. So here's some additional perks that you get with the Z Premier program. Register and create an account. Foldable device comes with additional perks. Scan the QR code and discover exclusive benefits for Galaxy Z owners. So I'm pretty sure that's for like service and repair. At least last year I know they gave you a little discount on your first screen repair. I don't think they're doing that now just because it's more durable, but they are giving you a free year of Samsung Premium Care Plus, or whatever their program is called, if you pre-order the phone. So I'm going to have to sign up for that. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap the device. I'm not going to set it up on video, it's just your standard Android Samsung setup. But one thing I do want to do is I want to call Samsung. I heard there was a promotion that they added after I pre-ordered where you can get free Galaxy Buds 2. And somebody said if you call them, they will honor that after the fact. So we're going to try that and see how that goes. I'll let you guys know how that goes later on. But here is the phone. Like I said, we're going to peel this off. Alright, so that is off. I'm just going to kind of save that. I'm going to give a first impression of the screen because a lot of people say it feels like glass now. And oh yeah, that's definitely, it's not a rubbery texture like last year's. Last year was very rubbery and it would smudge immediately. This one is very smooth. Your finger glides over a lot easier than the past. Very nice hinge. It will pretty much prop up in almost any orientation until you get to about, well, basically until you open it, then it just snaps open. So you can pretty much put it wherever you want, kind of like a laptop. But that's what it looks like. I'm not even going to boot it up yet. I'm going to go ahead and get everything else set up as far as the Samsung Care and check on that other promotion. And I will give my first impressions later on after I've had some time to use it and play around with it. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.